I know this is very basic, but it is important. Hi. So today I am here to share my technical journey. So from last month, I have started learning database management system by enrolling a free course on Scalar. So there I learned many things like what is file, what is database, what is the difference between the two, why database is important, then uh, attributes, types of attributes, keys, types of keys, what are constraints, then CRUD operations, then SQL commands, the joins, etc. So I thought, let's not just learn it and leave it, let's implement it. So as I already know Java language, I thought that we can use Spring Boot backend and then integrate it with the database. In my case, I have used MySQL, and I have made a simple project that is student management system, where the student can add his record by entering PRN number, name, branch, and percentage. He can also update the record and then delete it. So these are the operations, CRUD operations. I have also added front end using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So it may sound like it is a very basic project, but it is important because I learned many things like how to build the app, web app, or we can say Spring Boot project by using Spring Initializer, how to configure it, then how to integrate the backend. In my case, MySQL. Then uh, how to add the methods. Like there is a concept called REST API, and came to know that by building this project. So these are all the concepts I learned, and after that, after completing the project, I also published it on the GitHub. So I learned GitHub also. So these are the learnings I learned by doing this project. So I will show it to you. Before that, a short disclaimer: this is not a tutorial. I'm just sharing what I learned and what I have made. So let's see. Thank you.
So now I will show step by step what I did and what I learned. So this is the Spring Initializer where the project configuration can be made and the Spring Boot project that we want can be built. So this is the project built tools, Gradle or Maven. Then this is the language. This is the Spring Boot version. Then this is the metadata, name, package name, etc. Then this is the packaging types, jar and var. Default is jar. Then Java versions 25, 21, 17. And here we can add the dependencies, the required dependencies like MySQL in my case, JPA, etc, etc. So by clicking this we can generate the project, and the project is downloaded in zip file. We can extract it and open it in the IDE. So this is the project, this is how it looks. So these are the main files. Like we will start from the POM. Here all the dependencies that we added are in the code format. This is the dependency file. Then in the application.properties, the database is connected. For JDBC MySQL, this is the URL, then username and password of the database, and then this is the line we have to add in case of updating the table. So every time the code is run, the new table is not created, it is updated. It updates the existing table. And this is the front end part. Honestly, I have taken it from ChatGPT. I have not built it. This is the student repository. It is an interface that is used for retrieving the data from the database. Then this is the controller class. This is actually the REST API where we use get mapping for viewing all the student details. Then this is for adding a student record. Then this is for updating the student, and this is for deleting the student. This is the JPA entity where this actually connects the database to the backend. So when the data is retrieved from the database, it converts it into this class object, and then we can use it. And this is the driver code by running which the project is executed. So now we will run it. Now on the API doc, which is similar to Postman, we will send the requests and we will see the responses. So this is the get mapping when we click on the send button, we get this data. These are the records present on the database. As we can see here, these are the 2 records we have, and we have received it successfully. So here might be 2 records because it is not refreshed yet. Maybe don't know what is the problem, but the current database contains these records. So after that, this is the post request where we will add a student. So this is the data, or this is the record we are going to add. So this is the response. So it is successfully added. We can check it by seeing the details. So here Amitabh Bachchan entry is added. Similarly, we can update a record. For that we need obviously the roll number. So now we will update the name, and this is the updated entry. Similarly, we will delete the record. So the record is deleted. We can confirm it. So here the Abhishek Bachchan record is not present. It means it is deleted successfully. So these are the APIs that are running successfully. So now we will see the front end. So in front end, similar operations can be performed. We can delete any record, we can add any record. So now it is added. Then we can update it, Amitabh to Abhishek, save, then it is set. So this is the project basically, and after creating the project I have also put it on the GitHub. So here I learned about the GitHub, how to add the project, how to make the readme file, then how to add the gitignore file, etc. So this is what I have learned throughout this project. So I am focusing on learning Spring Boot now, and I will try my best to make a small project based on the learnings I learned, and publish it on the GitHub. So every month I should upload at least 1 project. So this is the target. Let's see what happens. See you in the next video. Thank you.